And now for our bi-weekly look at legal issues in the news with our in-house legal expert, attorney Tom Olsen. This is Olsen on Law.
Alan Spector here, and it happens every Tuesday and Thursday at this time, except when Tom and I are on vacation like we were the last 2 weeks. But otherwise, we're here every Tuesday and Thursday with Olsen on Law. It's longtime Orlando attorney Tom Olsen joining us. Good morning, Tom.
Good morning, Alan and crew and WFLA listeners, and it's good to be back.
Good to have you back, Tom. Our topic this morning, your bank accounts and your children. Now, Tom, is it a good idea to add your child's name to your bank account? Do you see a lot of parents doing this? And if so, why do they do it?
I do see that, Alan, and their thinking is that they want their child to be able to pay their bills if they need to. And I say, look, if you've got an everyday checking account with less than $10,000 in it, adding a child's name to it is a good idea. That way they could pay your bills for you, and they'd also have access to that money to pay some of your funeral expenses if you passed away. But that everyday checking account with less than $10,000 is the only account that I want you to add your child's name to.
All right, that's the only one. So other than that everyday checking account, why not add your children's names to all of your bank accounts?
Two things, Alan. Number one, if your child gets sued, works up $1 million in medical bills, has a terrible automobile accident, their creditors are coming after your money because your child's name is on your account. And number two, usually the parent only adds one child to that account. And if that's the case, that money will belong to that one child when mom or dad passes away, and that child will not be obligated to split that money up with his or her siblings.
All right, Tom. So then what should be done by the parents about these other bank accounts other than the everyday bank account?
Get a good, durable power of attorney for financial affairs. That is what will give the kids the ability to pay your bills on your behalf if they need to. And number two, make your bank accounts POD, payable on death, to all of your children, and that way your bank accounts will avoid probate.
All right, if you have legal questions about this or anything else, Tom will have the answers for you on the Olsen on Law show. You can hear that Saturdays at 10 a.m. right here on News Radio WFLA Orlando. You can also catch the Zoom version of Tom and me on our social media platforms. Tom, as always, thanks so much. We'll see you next time.
Thank you, Alan.
And remember, for all of your legal needs, call the Olsen